Akavunaanyizibwa ku by'obuzimbi kakedde kukunya bakulu okuva mu minisitule by'entambula abadde bakulembeddwa minisita Fred Byamukama ssaako aba kampuni eya French Eggs Road Operation nga bano omulimu baamala ate nabo ne baguwa Pinnacle Security Limited. Ababaka bawuniikiridde ku nsimbi ezisoloozebwa ezisangibwa nga tezikwatagana na ziri mu alipoota gye bajja mu maka g'abasolooza we basinziira ssaako ne ziragibwa minisitule ey'ebyentambula.
So this one on page 4 is going to show you how we have compared. How we have arrived at this. The ministry already gave us theirs. Now we want Pinnacle to officially give us theirs. Okay. The month of January 2022, what were the total collections?
According to this document that we submitted to you last week, it's 2,347,691,900.
Okay. Now, according to the information we picked from your system, when we visited you, we have 2.4 billion 81,744,000, a deficit of 134 million.
Ababaka era balaze obwennyamivu olw'omuwendo gw'emmotoka eziyita ku luguudo lw'Entebbe Express obutakwatagana n'omuwendo ogugambibwa minisitule. Akakiiko kakizudde nga mu myezi egimu abasolooza ensimbi zifaanagana n'ezo ze bawa minisitule y'ebyentambula wabula ate ng'emirala boogera ntono.
The number of vehicles we have established from the information we have, you have a deficit of 902 vehicles that are missing. Okay, let's go to, and this is because December 2023 is very clear. Your records and ours are matching. We did a sample and we realized some months actually there's no difference, it's 0%. Let's go to November 2024. How many vehicles used that express store?
It's 800,245.
We have a deficit of 1,646. Okay. Let's go to December 2025.
924,754.
We have a deficit of 22,860 vehicles. 20 something billion to 30 to 40. But when you look at the growth, the number of vehicles has now, the growth has dropped. If you have already done that analysis, because for us we have done it. So have the cars reduced on the express? Have they got an alternative route? Because the growth was high, but now the growth has stopped. It is now declining.
Akakiiko era kakisudde nga minisitule terina muntu mu kampuni ya Pinnacle abalirira bitabo ku lw'eggwanga lino lya Uganda.
60 if 40 pay cash, then and 10 pay using card. There is a different payment regime for the card.
Yes, we have classified that already because the data we have shows those who have paid cash.
Yes.
So the question was, did you come up, it's a simple question just for the record, did you come up, did you find an anomaly in the amount of money per month versus vis-a-vis the vehicles per class and those that pay cash?
Purely against those that pay cash. Whenever we have such anomalies,
did you find?
Yes, we found some anomalies.
That's enough. Don't tell me about Aegis setting up their own monitoring system and you are relying on their system. You as Minister of Works, what systems do you have to ensure our money is banked, our money is collected, the number of cars are verified?
Chair, one is the independent traffic monitoring system
owned by Aegis,
which is a system supplied by Aegis but used by the ministry. That's number one.
Two, do you have technical personnel manning that system of Ministry of Works?
Chair, we have IT support.
Are they staff of Ministry of Works?
Yes.
Working with Aegis?
Not working with Aegis.
They go there to just check on the system.
Chair, we access that system even remotely.
Ssentebe w'akakiiko Mwine Mpaka atubulidde ebimu ku bibazudde mu nsisinkano yaabwe n'abavunaanyizibwa ku kusolooza ensimbi ku luguudo lw'Entebbe Expressway.
Nekyali under investigation naye nga we mulabye akakiiko tulabye ebintu bingi, for example esente ezitafaanana n'eza ministry n'eza contractor, so tukyali mu final investigations kubanga tulina buli kimu kye twetaaga, bank statements, documents z'abano abantu kuva ministry twagenda ne ku road toll netufuna nga tujja ku machine ku computer yaabo details, so tusuubira nti byonna tubiina naye process ya analysis kuva 2022 etwala budde kubanga olina okuleeta report ku floor nga mwina facts oba mwina ebintu ebituufu.
Abakere bazudde ng'emmotoka ezisonyiyibwa okusasula zisusse obungi nga zino zisoba mu 4,000.
Emmotoka ze basonywa nyingi, for example osanga emmotoka 4,000 mu mwezi gumu bazisonyi, naye ffe tukosa amateeka era tugenda saba minisita, bagamba minisita yaziwa omukisa guno oba yaziwa exemption, so naye tugenda muwandiikira tunyonyole ate ne statutory instrument eraga nti yafuna permission.
Akakiiko kano kakyagenda maaso n'okunoonyereza ku nsonga zino. Ssebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KTV Amalindilire.